Hello everyone, I'm Pharmacist Michael, and I'm going to be doing a video series on menopause. And I would love to hear some of your experiences with menopause in the comment section of this video, and I would love to try to help as many of you as I can. So today we're going to talk about menopause myth busters. Menopause occurs when a woman's ovaries stop producing eggs, and the production of hormones such as estrogen and progesterone declines. Menopause can also occur if a woman's ovaries are surgically removed or they're damaged by certain diseases or cancer treatments. Menopause is a natural phase in a woman's life, but it's surrounded by numerous misconceptions. Today, we're going to debunk some of the most common myths associated with menopause. Let's dive right in. Myth number 1, menopause happens overnight. Many people believe that menopause happens suddenly, but that just isn't true. Menopause is a gradual process. Initially, something called perimenopause happens. And some women may experience this in their 30s, although more commonly it starts between the ages of 40 and 44. During this stage, there are noticeable changes in menstrual flow and cycle length. Additionally, there might be sudden surges in estrogen levels. As women progress to the later stages of perimenopause, typically occurring in their late 40s or early 50s, they begin to miss periods until they ultimately stop completely. Approximately 6 months before reaching menopause, estrogen levels decline significantly. This decline in estrogen is responsible for the typical symptoms such as vaginal dryness and hot flashes. These symptoms may persist for a period ranging from 6 months to over 5 years after the onset of menopause. Myth number 2, all women experience the same menopause symptoms. The truth is, every woman's experience with menopause is unique. While some women may have severe hot flashes and night sweats, others may experience mood swings, fatigue, or irregular periods. It's important not to generalize menopausal symptoms, as they can vary greatly from person to person. Myth number 3, menopause means the end of your sex life. This is a common misconception that can create unnecessary anxiety. Menopause doesn't necessarily end a woman's sex life. While menopause can bring about changes in a woman's body and hormonal balance that impact her sexual experience, it does not automatically mean the end of sexual activity or pleasure. Many women continue to have an active and satisfying sex life after menopause. During menopause, the decrease in estrogen levels can lead to physical changes such as vaginal dryness, which may cause discomfort during sex. However, there are various treatment options available, including lubricants, hormone therapy, and other medical interventions that can help alleviate these symptoms and enhance sexual enjoyment. It is also important to note that sexual desire and satisfaction are influenced by a combination of physical, emotional, and psychological factors. Maintaining open communication with the partner, exploring different techniques or positions, and prioritizing self-care and overall well-being can all contribute to a fulfilling and satisfying sex life during and after menopause. While menopause can bring about changes in sexual desire and physical responses, it doesn't mean the end of intimacy. Open communication with your partner and exploring new techniques can help maintain a satisfying and fulfilling sex life during this phase. Myth number 4, hormone replacement therapy, or HRT, is the only treatment option. Hormone replacement therapy is an effective treatment for managing menopausal symptoms for some women. However, it's not the only option available. Lifestyle changes, such as regular exercise, a balanced diet, stress reduction techniques, and herbal supplements can help alleviate symptoms. It's essential to discuss all available options with your healthcare provider to determine the best approach for you. There is also something known as compound hormone replacement therapy that we will be discussing in a future video, so stay tuned for that. Myth number 5. Weight gain is inevitable during menopause. While hormonal changes can contribute to weight gain, menopause itself is not the sole cause. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle with regular physical activity and a balanced diet can help prevent weight gain or manage it effectively. Don't let the myth of inevitable weight gain discourage you from staying healthy during menopause. Remember, gaining muscle mass helps your body burn calories more effectively, so staying active is key. Myth number 6. Menopause only affects older women. Menopause is commonly associated with women in their 40s or 50s, but it can occur earlier in some women. This is known as premature menopause. Additionally, as mentioned earlier, menopause can be induced by certain medical procedures or treatments such as chemotherapy. It's essential to recognize that menopause can happen at different ages and for various reasons. Myth number 7. Menopause causes memory loss and cognitive decline. While some women may experience memory lapses or difficulties with concentration during menopause, it's not the same as dementia or permanent cognitive decline. These memory issues are often temporary and can be managed through lifestyle changes, mental exercises, and staying mentally active. Other things that can help are eating a healthy diet, such as the Mediterranean diet. We know that omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil can support memory function. Maintaining social contact and getting adequate sleep can also help keep your mind sharp. Myth number 8. Menopause means the end of fertility. While menopause marks the end of natural fertility, it doesn't guarantee 100% infertility. It's still possible to conceive during perimenopause, although the chances are significantly reduced. If you want to prevent pregnancy, it's essential to continue using contraception until you've been confirmed as postmenopausal by your healthcare provider. The North American Menopause Society, or NAMS, defines menopause as the point in time when a woman reaches 12 consecutive months without a menstrual period. We know that although it's unlikely, a woman can become pregnant during perimenopause. Myth number 9. Menopause leads to depression. While hormonal fluctuations during menopause can contribute to mood changes, menopause itself doesn't cause clinical depression. It's important to distinguish between normal mood swings and symptoms of depression. Menopause generally occurs when your parents are getting older, the kids are leaving the house, and your careers are bringing extra stress to your life. Hot flashes and hormone fluctuations can lead to poor sleep, which can also contribute to depression. If you're experiencing persistent sadness, loss of interest, or other depressive symptoms, it's crucial to seek professional help. And finally, myth number 10. Menopause is a disease. Menopause is a natural phase in a woman's life, not a disease or a medical condition. It's a transition that signifies the end of reproductive years. While it can bring challenges and symptoms, it's also an opportunity for personal growth and embracing new chapters of one's life. So that wraps up our 10 misconceptions of menopause. It's crucial to provide accurate information to support women going through menopause. Remember, if you have any concerns or questions about menopause, consult with your healthcare provider for personalized guidance. If you have any questions at all for me, please leave them in the comments section. If you would like to be interviewed about your experience with menopause, please let me know and we can set something up. I really aim to help as many women as I can get through this important stage of their life. My name is Pharmacist Michael. Thank you so much for watching. Be happy and be healthy.